Hey, Pat Logue here with the Anchor Group, out on another Ocean City property tour. Today we're deep in the gardens, right around the corner from the Coast Guard Station, 217 Bay Road. This new construction has 5 bedrooms, 6.5 baths, an elevator, a detached garage, and a pool. Hey, before we go inside and take a look around, do me a favor, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any additional property tours in the future. Thanks everybody. Let's go inside. I told you that one was special. I appreciate you coming along for the tour. Do me a favor, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any in the future. And if you have any questions about this property or anything else Ocean City real estate related, please reach out to me at the contact information. Take care everybody. Have a great day.